Hey guys, Aniket here, and as you guys know, this time is all about staying home and work from home. So to work from home, you need good internet speeds, and to achieve that, you need two things. Firstly, a good internet plan, and secondly, a good router. So I am here with an unboxing and review of a Wi-Fi router from D-Link, which costs 1950 Indian rupees on Amazon. In case you buy it offline, it will cost you 2000 to 2200 Indian rupees, depending on which state you buy. Now let's not waste any more time and quickly check it out. So this is the D-Link DIR 841 dual band Wi-Fi router. The highlighted features of this product are it supports AC 1200 speeds, that means it supports high internet speeds, and also has dual bandwidth support. It has gigabit ports for fast internet speeds, and it supports MIMO technology, that is you get high Wi-Fi bandwidth signals in multiple devices at the same time. It has a WPS button to add devices to the network with the push of a button. And lastly, it supports multiple modes, that is it can be used as a router, repeater or client. Now on opening the box, you can see all the paperwork are given on top. These are your warranty cards and quick installation guide. And under these is the router, well protected by cardboards and plastic covering. And lastly, under this cardboard we get an Ethernet cable and a power adapter. The router is very light in weight and you can mount it on a wall with 3M tape also. Let's peel off the plastic for a better view. Now this is the D-Link DIR 841 router. It comes with 4 antennas. The build quality is really premium for its price, and you get to see gloss and matte dual finish at the top. In the glossy part you get to see the indicators for power, WAN connection, LAN connection, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, 5 GHz Wi-Fi and WPS. At the back you get to see all the ports for connections and power, and these ports are all gigabit ports. This is the only router that supports gigabit network under 2000 Indian rupees. Beside the ports, you also get to see a power button, a WPS button and a Wi-Fi button. With the Wi-Fi button, you can toggle the Wi-Fi off and can use it through LAN only. So this is it for the unboxing, and now it's time to review it. I am recording this review after 2 days of usage. And the first thing I want to say is, if you don't have any knowledge about how to set up a Wi-Fi router, then you will need to call your internet service provider so that he can send someone for help or instruct you over the phone. The second thing is, it has good distance coverage, although I would recommend you to use the 2.4 GHz bandwidth if you go out of your room, because in a shorter distance 5 GHz bandwidth will give you more speeds, but at a distance 5 GHz won't give that much advantage in speeds, although the 2.4 GHz will give a stronger connection. Another thing I saw is there's a noticeable difference in 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz even when I'm sitting close to the router. Maybe the router is configured by D-Link to prioritize the 5 GHz bandwidth more even at closed ranges. I don't know, I just think so. Now in my 2 days of usage, I didn't face any issues. It is a very good product and I absolutely recommend it for buying. Links are in the description, please check them out. And this is it guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will be catching you in my next video, and till then, peace out.